Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 12th June which is observed as World Day Against Child Labour, which is also otherwise known as World Child Labour Prohibition Day, which is observed to bring attention to the problem of child labour and to find ways to remove it from the society. Now welcome everybody to our today's session of our regular GK series Today in History, in which today we shall look at some of the important events happened on 12th June in history in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Friends, if you are watching the channel first time, then click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. Everyone has a will to win, but very few have the will to prepare to win. So, generate your willpower and never weaken it. With your self-confidence and your sincere effort, you can get your success. Now let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Which year on this day Jammu and Kashmir Assembly terminate from hereditary monarchy? Answer 1952. Question number 2. Which Indian documentary filmmaker and writer died on this day in 1972 is author of 8 volume of biography of Mahatma Gandhi titled Mahatma Life of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi? Answer Dinanath Gopal Tendulkar. He also made a film with Vittal Bhai Jabri titled Mahatma Life of Gandhi 1869 to 1948. Question number 3. Which Indian Prime Minister was convicted of electoral corruption by Allahabad High Court on this day in 1975? Answer Indira Gandhi. Question number 4. Which Indian national satellite was launched on this day in 1990, which is an operational multi-purpose communication and meteorological satellite? Answer INSAT 1D. Question number 5. Which Indian artist died on this day in 2015 is known for building rock garden of Chandigarh? Answer Nek Chand. Question number 6. Which country got independence from Spain on this day in 1898? Answer Philippines. Capital of Philippines is Manila. Question number 7. Which Indian engineer turned politician from Kerala born on this day in 1932 is credited with building Konkan Railway and Delhi Metro while he served as Managing Director of Delhi Metro Rail Corporation from 1995 to 2012? Answer E. Sridharan. He is also known as Metro Man and he got Padma Shri. Question number 8. Which French military and political leader who rose to prominence during French War of Revolution attacked Russia on this day in 1812? Answer Napoleon Bonaparte. Question number 9. Which German Dutch diarist born on this day in 1929 gained fame posthumously for her 1947 publication of The Diary of a Young Girl? Answer Anne Frank. She documented on this book her life hiding from 1942 during German occupation of Netherlands in World War II. Question number 10. From which year World Child Labour Prohibition Day is being celebrated on this day? Answer 2002. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.